The interaction begins with a woman expressing concern about picking up her child, indicating a sense of urgency. As she talks to the officer, there's a mix of anxiety and determination in her voice. She mentions her usual routine of picking her child up at around 4:30 or 5, emphasizing that she's never late, which adds to her stress. Throughout the exchange, the officer maintains a calm and professional demeanor, asking for her name and date of birth and trying to assess the situation. The woman appears nervous, reflecting her awareness of the seriousness of being pulled over and the implications of having possibly consumed alcohol. As the officer explains the evaluation process, she tries to reassure herself, admitting she might have had too much to drink, but insists that her primary concern is reaching her child on time. There's a sense of vulnerability as she describes her past experiences and fears about taking tests, revealing her anxiety about the situation. The officer patiently guides her through the steps, keeping the tone conversational while maintaining authority. The woman's responses show her mixed feelings of frustration, confusion, and hope that she can prove she's fit to drive. As she
Sorry about that.
No problem. Hang on one second. 15, 17.
I was just going to tell you what was going on, that's all.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay. Where are y'all coming from?
We're coming from a spot, visible.
I got you. That's no problem.
Oh, okay.
You're not in any kind of trouble or anything like that.
I don't know her actual, I don't know what that, I can't say that. I don't even know about myself.
I got you. Okay, go ahead and take your sunglasses.
When I was drinking, the place I was at, they was sour and sweet.
Okay.
Type of drink, so I'm not, told them, I was like, I like strong. Yeah.
Do you know what kind of alcohol was in it?
I don't know. It would be like, the exact, how to say it.
That's what you normally drink?
Yeah.
Tequila?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what time it is right now?
It's probably like 6, 7 martini.
Okay.
You know what that is?
I haven't been there yet.
Grand Martini say that, I know, what's going on right now.
Remind me your first name?
Steph. My name is Stephanie.
You go by Steph?
Whatever you call me.
Okay, cool.
The officer asked her to participate in a...
Okay, well,
I think I had too much to drink.
I got you. That may be true, but...
more so to just catch him in time.
Yeah. How old is he?
He's 5. I usually pick him up 4:30. I'm never late, so I think I know I'm not late, but
How far away is that?
Right here. Dunwoody Academy, you know that? I would have to look it up. I don't know the exact.
Okay. But you get him there every day. All right, what we're going to
Christian
do
Academy.
is actually run through a couple tests just to make sure that you...
I've been scared to take tests. Yeah. Every other DUI I got, it was because I was scared.
I got forced to take it.
You sure?
There's
because
nothing
I've
forcing
been
you
through
to
so
take
much.
it.
I've been.
That's okay. I pull you over. As soon as I pull you over, the smell alcohol's coming over and over. And now I can... Hang on one second. And now I got you and I appreciate that.
Just a little something
You're
to worry
driving into
about.
oncoming traffic on the wrong side of the road, so I don't want you to...
I totally understand. So I have nothing to say about this.
I got you not safe.
Yeah,
so
I totally
I have to determine if you are or not.
Okay, usually we don't... Like, when you're from New York, you usually... You are.
I'm just letting you know how it works.
I didn't know the time.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
That's fine.
I will take it because I didn't know.
Vision?
Yes.
Okay. Has the eye doctor ever told you you have anything else wrong with your eyes?
I have back injuries, but I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. All right. Well, do me a favor. What I'm gonna ask you to do is stand where you're at until I tell you to. Okay.
No problem.
All right. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is taking a look at your eye, or with your eyes and your eyes only.
Okay.
And leave your head facing straight. Put your feet back together. Hands down, touching legs, just like that.
Okay.
You see how you're moving your head all the way over there?
I shouldn't move my head?
Nope. So I want you to follow orders.
I'm 100% good. Let me just...
Hands down, touching your legs.
Okay.
All right. So you understand that I want you to leave your head facing.
Okay.
31, if you're ready.
That's fine.
I was trying to say
You just got to keep explaining everything.
Course,
I'm going to keep doing that and make sure you know what you're doing.
You are, yeah.
All right, put your feet back.
I don't want to move too much. I'm trying to be perfect.
Keep looking at my face.
Tip over a little bit.
No, you're fine. If you're gonna fall over, catch it. I'm not allowed to change it for you just because it's got to be the same. Okay.
I understand.
All right. So these next things, I'm actually gonna show you exactly how to do it first. By back down, touch your legs, and don't move until I tell you to. Okay.
That's not problem.
All right. And when I tell you to, you're gonna take your right foot and put it on there right now, and just stand like that while we talk.
Okay.
All right. Stand like that while we're talking. Okay.
Okay.
down where I told you.
Okay.
All right, so what you're gonna do in just a second, okay?
Okay.
Put your feet back how I told you. Hands back how I told you. Good job so far, right?
Okay, yeah.
All right.
Great.
All right, so you're gonna be taking, put your foot back how I told you to. All right, so in just a minute, you're gonna be taking, okay? I'll demonstrate it for you. So you're gonna have your hands down by your side. All right, it'll look just like this, counting every step out loud. Series of small steps to safely turn around. And you'll do 9 back the other way. Some things that I want you to remember. I want you to look down at your feet while you walk.
Okay.
Leave your hands down touching your legs.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Okay, you can go ahead and begin whenever you're ready.
3. Is this okay? 8. 1. 3. 6.
Okay, you can turn back around. That way, if you have any more questions, you can ask me, okay?
Okay.
So, hands down, touching your legs. So, when you raise it up off the ground, it's going to be about 6 inches off the ground. Like this. Don't point it up or sideways, yeah.
Okay, so
and also your legs. Talk to me about that. All right, so when you do that, you're going to be counting out loud 1002, 1003, and you'll just keep counting and counting. So you'll keep doing that. I'm going to demonstrate it first, keeping my hands down by my side. Just like this.
Okay.
1001, 1002, 1003.
I'm not, like...
Put it back up and keep going.
I be tired.
Yeah, if you do get tired, just pick it back. Remember, look down at your foot that you have raised up.
Okay.
I want you to make sure that your leg stays straight, not bent.
Is this okay how I am?
No,
like I might.
Okay.
I might be like, eh.
Yeah, no, if you're gonna fall.
1001. It gets head. 1002. 1003.
Unfortunately, the results of the test indicated impairment.
Okay, you can stop.
Yeah, I just want to mess up.
I got you. All right.
I just don't want to fall.
I got you.
So what am I going to do about my sister? She's like 23.
Okay. Well, we'll get Uber.
I just want my son to be safe.
I understand.
I don't have anybody else. I live down the block, so I just feel like...
I got you. Well, you're not doing anything to you.
Sir, come on. I'm not... I just feel like, I have no any type of money.
No, absolutely not.
I don't have... I don't have my baby. When it comes to my baby, I can't...
Okay, walk this way.
Sir, I'm going to walk.
We're not going to just leave him abandoned.
He's not my baby. Never do this to my baby, though,
We were about to go drive him.
Because I could get home. Sir, please, let me just take him home.
Go ahead and have a seat inside the car. We'll get it worked
out.
out.
It's in New York. I just can't leave my baby.
Okay, go ahead and put your legs in the car.
Go to your phone so we can call the school.
05. I just don't want to be scared. This is scaring me right now.
I understand. What's the code? Did it 2 times.
0507. I'm sorry if I spelled it wrong. Sorry.
That's okay.
What is it? Do you have a save on contacts or anything?
I don't think.
We'll look it up. What's his name?
Wayne.
Wayne? No.
Chris, this one?
My baby, yeah. I don't have anybody else, sir.
I got you. Well, like I said, we're going to work that part out, okay? Hang on 1 second.
My baby, I don't have nobody. Make my son feel like he don't have nobody.
We'll get it taken care of.
Don't
you hear me?
my baby.
We'll get it taken care of, all right? All right.
I don't want nothing to happen to my
Listen
baby.
to me real quick.
Taking a breath test to determine her blood alcohol content, BAC, to which she...
Will you submit
Yes,
to the
of
statement
course.
that's most important, okay? Give me 2 seconds. I'll be back with you. You start running around. Did you start running around? Well, there's no set amount of time. We got to get her down. She's going to do some more tests. She's not. Okay, we're not about to argue that.
Okay.
Okay to take the car. Huh? Oh, no license?
Take you there and drop you off.
Take me in her car?
No.
I'm not taking her.
No, I understand. We'll help you get it taken care of.
Okay.
Go ahead and step out.
I just feel like, why can't I go?
Because you're intoxicated. If I can't get through this, we can't get her down there to the school to get your son right now. We're trying to get her down there to get your son. So first, your car is being impounded by Brown & Brown Record. Your purse is right here. Would you like it to go with her?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would actually
We want to get your son and get this taken care of. So let me get to this.
Okay. Come on, don't.
She was transported to the police station to provide breath samples.
My baby gonna be safe. Oh no.
He's gonna take it.
I can't even get the police down. Oh, I need to do this. So messed up, sir. I have nothing but my son. Nothing. You just do me like
Right? And you're like, yeah, go ahead.
She about to be here after she got him,
No,
right?
she's not coming here.
Where's she gonna go?
Well, I'll explain it to you again. So, here, walk up here.
Being serious when I said I wasn't drinking.
Okay. Go ahead, walk in.
Jim, where's that now? Somebody else to help me? I gotta pee those.
Leave that first.
Y'all be so mean. Y'all can be so.
Yeah.
So my son is with his auntie.
After she's with him, it's up to her.
Like, I don't know where my son is. Oh, it's a lot like that. It's a lot. I don't get arrested. No, you didn't give me my cell phone.
It's in the car.
Yeah, I don't know nobody's number. As long
Make
as
sure you give a good long breath and don't stop until he tells you to. Take care about your son.
I do.
Make sure you do it right, and we get this taken care of. All right. Because I hear
You gonna do me like
It's
that?
seven loose teeth.
Let me tell you.
No.
He got loose tooth and he was like, "Ma, I can't breathe." That's how you know you a mom. You a mom.
I never will. 15 minutes, you'll probably change your mind again because you were just yelling at me the whole way
Don't say
here.
that, you. Come on. I didn't yell at you, mister. Don't
We'll
do
see.
that.
There it is. Alright, pop cuts off, I'll get the cell open.
And then I think he's got one more to do after that.
Okay.
Is that correct?
Yeah. Okay. Can you just make sure my sister's okay with my baby?
We got it. Follow him.
Legal limit.
Alright, man. So, can you see this number you gave, okay? That's what it says that the alcohol concentration is. Okay, so 0.173, okay?
Right.
So in the state of Georgia, so by the state's law, you are
I got
above.
it. You circle where I went wrong?
I can't circle on that because it's actually a government document. 0.172.
You know what that actually means, son? And you're twice. You're 2 times drunk. You're Uber drunk.
I'm not,
You should have taken an
son.
Uber drunk.
I'm not.
You know, but I'm saying going forward, you know that you're impaired, is what I'm saying. Going forward. Question.
Can you just write down y'all?
This
Can you
sheet's
circle it? Can you circle
No,
it?
he just told you no.
Yeah, I can't
No,
circle.
what's the drunk level?
Oh, 0.08 or above is DUI person, less safe. Which means you are less safe than a normal person on the road. Where you can bond out.
I don't have no phone.
All right, let's go. Appreciate it.
You have my phone?
Yes,
in the car. Let's go.
Okay. Oh, Jesus, I'm so old. You will love.
Gotcha.
I'm a good girl.
I don't doubt that.
I am, sir.
What?
I am. So I'm gonna go. How long do you think I'm gonna be in for?
A few hours?
Come to Cap County Jail.
Where's that
Down the road. Look that way. Lean back. There you go. Is that yours?
Yeah, that's mine.
Fell
sir.
off? All right, I'm going to put it with your phone. See ya.
As a result, license. She was taken to DeKalb County Jail.
Hey, wake up. Get up. Wake up. Let's go. Wake up.
Okay, so thank you.
All right, step out.